What's up, guys? Today we have another package to unbox, and once again, another package from Kyle D'Amato. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. Just gonna open it up, and oh boy, we have a lot of devices in here. So let's grab our first one. I think I know what this is. This is an RSI strobe mechanism, and I've needed this for parts for a while. So now I'm just gonna take the strobe mechanism out of it and put it in my E50. I might do a video on that. But yeah, so that's our first device. Let's do our second device here. It is a 2099 9101 T-bar. These are really cool, and this one is red backed because it's I believe it's a dual pole single throw switch. So yeah, I have to look into it. It's in pretty good shape. I'm gonna have to get some paint off right there, but yeah, looks pretty cool. Got the terminal block on the back. So if we go to our next device, let's see. Come on. Here we go. We have an Edwards Local Alarm 270 SPO pull station. I've been needing some older 270s for a while, so now I finally have one. So let's go ahead and pull it. Man, that's fun. And then our next device is... Man, I love how it packages this stuff. Another 270, but this one is fire alarm, not local alarm. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same, and it has a glass rod in it, which is really nice. So yeah, once again, thank you to Kyle. I won't pull this one, because I mean, there's glass on it. For our next device, we have a little sign you threw in here. It's just like an LED for a duct detector from System Sensor. Nothing too special, but just a thank you for that. And then our last device, I know what this is as well. It is a notifier, not BG12 LX, in really crusty shape and a little bit rusted. So I got this for cheap, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, this is gonna take some cleaning. But yeah, anyway, big shout out to Kyle D'Amato for getting me all the stuff for such a good price. Go check him out on eBay. He sells a bunch of different alarm products. So I think that wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.